is a little bit more affordable. There are homes under 250. So if I'm an investor looking at Noblesville, I'm trying to get in that like 250 to 300 range, and they're definitely there.
Here we go. Noblesville market report for June 2026. This is arguably my favorite market here in one of the Indianapolis suburbs. So, of course, we'll see how this compares to Greenwood, which is my other favorite market. But I mean, the one point here that's going to stand out is going to be your average days on market, which is up 3% month over month, but it's at 31 days, which doesn't surprise me at all. And there's plenty of opportunities here in Noblesville, honestly. I just talked to 2 investors that picked up properties in Noblesville. They're going to be amazing rental opportunities. This is a market that you should put as priority number 1 if you are searching here in the Indianapolis or suburban markets. Mike, what do you think about Noblesville?
I love Noblesville too, Chris. I've got a house in Noblesville. It stays rented all the time. The demand is high. I love Noblesville. It remains a little bit more affordable than Fishers. Even though the averages say that it's about the same, you'll see in the sales data that it's not. It is a more affordable market, which is great for investors. Average rent price over time is up month over month, year over year. Average days on the market, oh my gosh, that's so good. 30 days on the market, the best we've seen here for this month. I mean, I love Noblesville. I think it's such a good market. Good schools, just strong fundamentals. I'm like still actively looking in the Noblesville area.
Apparently, we're not the only ones that think so. I mean, look at your number of active homes. It's up 11% month over month, 35% year over year. So yeah, we're not alone in thinking that Noblesville is an incredible market to be a part of.
It's a good market, but look at the fundamentals. It's still good. 31 days on the market is incredible. It's amazing.
Yeah, especially when you're up 11% month over month. So your competition level is increasing at the same time.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what it's going to cost to get into Noblesville. All right, your sales data for Noblesville, June 2026. Let's get into some of the data points here. So your average sales price, I mean, we're increasing year over year. That's incredible. Your average days on market at 29. So even if you had to get out of the market, it's completely safe, right? You have an exit strategy here for Noblesville. Yeah, your number of homes sold, obviously they're selling. We have more competition on the properties marketed for rent. This is incredible. Number of homes sold, you can see exactly what it's going to cost you to enter this price point. Man, this is, I mean, it's semi-boring, but it's all really good news.
It's less boring than Fishers. This is, I mean, year over year, 5% increase is unbelievable. That is fantastic. I'll take that all day in this market if I'm an investor. Average days on the market, 29. That's also amazing. And bottom right graph is what I love about Noblesville. It shows you that it is a little bit more affordable. There are homes under 250. So if I'm an investor looking at Noblesville, I'm trying to get in that like 250 to 300 range, and they're definitely there. And the beautiful thing about the homes and those price points is for this market is that's affordable for Noblesville, right? You're going to be in the affordable range of Noblesville, which is exactly where you want to be always, because there's always going to be people wanting to get into the Noblesville market, the Fishers market, these good markets that have the good fundamentals. If you can have a home that's affordable and it's always affordable, you're always going to have demand for them. So that's why we love talking about this. That's why we love doing these podcasts, is to show people, hey, if you're going to be in Noblesville, be in that 250 to 300 range, be in the affordable range, and you're always going to have renters.
I couldn't agree more. Yeah. That's going to wrap it for Noblesville. Let's jump into the next market. If you want to hear more questions you should be asking, be sure to check out our Watch and Learn tab on the website or head over to our YouTube page for more.